Afternoon, everybody. I'm Chuck, and I'm one of those who attended John's Genius Creation Seminar last March. Just to give you an idea what transpired before and after I attended this Genius Creation Seminar. Prior to attending, I was a financial disaster. I was always out of money. I was always sick, suffering from migraine and indigestion. I am very irritable. Some minor irritants easily trigger my anger. I'm very impatient. But after applying the learnings or applying what I've learned from this Genius Creation Seminar, all of this suddenly disappeared. My financial situation now has slipped from a regular income of 5 figures a month to 6 figures a month in a matter of 6 weeks. And the amazing part here is this morning I was amazed when I found out from my bank statement that I was able to reach the 7-figure mark in 4 months time. So wag kayong maniniwala sa sinasabi ni John sa ad niya na I was able to reach 6 figures. It's not true. Set the record straight. It was 7 figures. And regarding my health, I'm no longer suffering from migraines. No more indigestion. I'm more patient now. Even in traffic, I'm more relaxed. And before closing, I would just like to leave one word of advice to all of you who are attending right now. Just follow John's instruction to the letter. He will be giving you a set of instructions before the end of this seminar, and just follow it to the letter. And my message to John, bro, thank you very much to what you have done to me, not only to me but to my whole family, to that effect. So thank you, John, and may God bless you and the universe bless you with all that you wish for, and thank you.